What would you do with your time in retirement? It's really important to think about this in advance. I've seen over and over again a client will transition into retirement, and the first few months are great. It feels like a really long vacation. You have time to do all the projects around the house that you've been putting off for years. You get to see your kids and your grandkids more often. You might travel a little bit, dust off your golf clubs, pick up some other hobbies you might have been putting off for like 30 years. But then, for many, the novelty of retirement wears off and boredom and loneliness can set in. Boredom can lead to depression, so it's no joke. And actually, this is quite common. The research backs me up on this. And one way that I've seen clients be successful with staving off boredom is by replacing social contacts at work with new social contacts. We often don't realize how important those social contacts at work are, but as everyone who works from home can tell you, the lack of social contact and friends outside of work can be really lonely. People who seem to be the happiest in retirement have been successful with cultivating new relationships and new social contacts after they transition into retirement. So let me send you off into your day with this. How can you replace social contacts at work once you retire? Could you join a group at your church, join a book club, start a new hobby, pick up an old one, especially one that you can enjoy with others, volunteer more maybe? Thanks for listening. I can't wait to hang out with you again tomorrow morning where we're going to talk about the health benefits of working longer. My name's Ashley Mitchikay, and this is the 1 Minute Retirement Tip.